Okay, first I put a cloth down here. I'm going to replace this with a different one. So, grab a hold behind the existing panel and pull. And there are just clips on the frame that allow you to just pull it straight out. You can see those red clips here. I'm just laying this down so that it doesn't get scratched. You can see by all the adapters that there are plenty for different vehicles. And I've already selected the correct adapters for my vehicle. And basically, you just match up whatever connectors you have, whatever male connectors you have in your dash, to the female ones that come with the unit. And then those plug in to the different areas on the CarPlay unit. Each connector has its own place to plug in, so you can't plug in incorrectly. There's no way to do that. Okay, this is what it looks like. These are the connectors that you plug in. This one and this one, additionally. This one does not plug in my vehicle. And when you get the new unit, all of these red clips will transfer from your existing trim to that one. This is what it looks like when you first get it. Now I'm going to transfer my clips and I'll be back. To transfer clips, you need to pull both sides of this red clip out at the same time. Use a dental tool and it comes right off. These also will need to be moved to the next one. And there are 3 pieces in here that need to be pulled out. You can pull out one at a time, move it out, pull this one out, continue to pull this out toward the camera, and then it just comes right out. And all of that just gets put into the new one, just snaps right in. Now unpack the new unit. Set it up so it's fairly stable. This is one of the vents. And they just snap right in. Just like that. Super simple. Line them up with the pieces. Make sure they work. And now for the clips. The clips just snap right on. Just like that, all the way around. Now it's ready to go. Just connect the wires. Match up each connector to where they fit. Make sure they snap in well. And the last connection I make is this one. And it's also got the microphone in it. Tuck all the wires into the dash carefully. Get everything out of the way of the vents. And once it's in place, press it on, and it's all good to go. Once it's physically connected, start my vehicle. Watch the device turn on, make sure it's connected and everything to power. And then you go through the pairing process with Bluetooth and set any other settings up that you need to.